Speaking to. My name is Josias Kroll Cotero Panduro. My favorite vacation place is Pocartambo, and also I read to my grandparents' house. That you can see different types of plants and animals, such as the cook of the rock, and see some tall size in Pokertambo. I I would like to play soccer there and eat a bird of type foods. It has WhatsApp to stay in touch with me friends. I use WhatsApp every day. I like to see my friend pants. Thank you.